Hi, it's Marcy Davis from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today I'm here to show you this book, Bradley's giant piano book, Easy Piano. And I really like this book. It is gigantic, and once in a while you can find it on a deal. But look at how many different pieces there are in here. I will just hold that up for you in case you want to do a pause and peruse the list a little bit. I'm going to give you a little sampling of what's in here. It's way too big. I can't possibly play everything that's in here. But one of the things I like about this book is that the arrangements are generally very friendly. Easy piano is still a very vague term, so there'll be a variety, sort of a breadth of levels. Some are easier, some are harder. But the nice thing is that there's chord symbols on all of these pieces. So you can, if you're a little higher level, maybe an intermediate or a late intermediate player, and this is a little bit easier than you're used to, you can fill things out with chords. Or maybe you're someone who reads more treble than bass clef, the chords can help you out in that way too. So let's do a little bit of sampling here. They've got theme from Ice Castles. The other thing I found, and it's not always the thick books that have this problem, but sometimes books don't want to stay open, so these really hefty chip clips can come in handy, and I may need that before we're done here. So there is a variety of genres. Let's see, we have alphabetical contents, and then contents by category. So I think we just did something out of the movie, so let's do something from the TV theme. How about the theme from Friends? 216. All right, now you'll get to see me sight read. This book is so big, there's no way I have played everything in here, so let's see how I can do. This has got one sharp, and again, chord symbols. Having a really hard time playing just the notes that are written on here, because most of these that you'll choose to play because you've heard them before, and I always encourage my students to be free to add notes or take away notes to make it sound more like what they have heard. So I'm going to try this again and see what happens. Another way you can use books like this. Let's check out another category just to give things a whirl. Let's see, there's a standards list in here. How about My Funny Valentine, 272. Okay. Here, and this one is in C minor, so we've got 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. an easy song. It's all full of jazz chords, but they haven't done a bad job with this, making it pretty accessible. So that gives you just a little taste of this very gigantic book with all of these pieces in it. Again, we have 1 or 2 of these in the lending library, so if you are a current student and you would like to check it out, let me know.